Good afternoon, Outliers. How y'all doing today? My setup is not how I like it to be. Something went wrong. Remember, I think it was Thursday last week where the volume just died. I have had issues ever since that. So I'm going to be working on that in the next couple of days. But if things crash, because I've had several crashes today, I'm still around. I promise you that. I'll update you in the Discord. Randy's here. Good morning. Hi, all. Walmart not looking so good, but what WPM looking good? Yeah, dude, that's how trading goes, right? You win some, you lose some, but on net balance, you try and make more than you lose. That's just how it goes, right? Let's go ahead and jump into our market analysis. Welcome to the OVTLYR Trading Room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now, we had several requests for a new version of the PDF up in the Discord. They're there. You got it. I did it already today. Now, I'm a partner with OVTLYR, and this is my style of trading using OVTLYR, but OVTLYR delivers you new opportunities every single day. And it's really cool because inside the Discord, we're sharing these. We want you to share what you're working on, what you're seeing out there, right? Mahesh is killing it lately in the long-term trades and in the swing trading area. And we want to know how you're doing, right? We built this for you to be successful. Let us know how you're being successful. Leo is here. Good to see you. Leo, our big old winner. That's right. Leo's the first winner of our weekly winners roundup, which we're going to do every Friday, except when I'm on vacation. On that topic, I will be on vacation the first 2 weeks of June. So June 3rd through June 14th. I will not be around. Also, Memorial Day is this upcoming May 27th. And so we're not going to have any trading rooms on then either. Jean-Louis is here. Good to see you. David is here. Good afternoon to you. Okay, we got a few things we need to take care of today. So let's get back on topic here. Now, with the golden ticket trading strategy, I told you I updated this. You're going to see the 10 over the 20 with price over the 50 if you're looking to go long. So let's look at the SPY here. And on the SPY, look, we're sitting new all-time highs here. This is what we want to see. If the market's setting new highs, don't get in the way. Don't say, oh, it has to go down. Don't say it must pull back. No, just trade the trend. The trend is up. You got your moving averages pointing up. You got price pointing up. Don't try and short this. That's what I always say. There will be a time where it comes back down. But in the meantime, don't get in the way. Don't get run over by the train. So I'm looking to go long today. But before I do anything, I'm going to look at my existing trades and take off anything that needs to be taken off and look to reduce risk. So WPM, we do need to get some work done today. I believe it was Anti-God. Very unusual nickname or name that you're choosing there. Anti-God. No judgment. But that one actually started with a 45 on the heat map, G45. Take a look at this line up here. It started at G45, actually stalled. It's still at G45. That is one of my reasons to exit right here. Heat map stall. When I see that, I exit. So I'm going to exit, right? WPM was a solid trade. Look at that. Up nearly $1 at this point from the trade we put on. When was that? Friday afternoon. So yeah, nice trade here. So let's go to WPM. Let's close that. I'm not upset about closing multiple trades where they all start with W and they're all 3 letters and they're all a little bit confusing. They all have a W and an M into them. Yeah, no, that's too confusing for my itsy bitsy little brain. We're looking at June 21st. I actually forgot to write this down in my portfolio. So we're going to do on the fly calculations. WPM. See, I just went into WMB. Yeah, they're way too similar. I'm going to close full, close everything. WPM, closing the 55 calls. Why? Because the heat map stalled out. On June 21st, I'm in the business account on my other screen here. WPM, June 21st, 55 calls. Closing all. See where I can get filled. Filled at 360. Okay. Not the greatest fill of all time, but I'll take it. Just a second here. All right. WPM filled at 360 on the 55 calls. I'm out. I'm out of WPM. Let's update the Discord with what we did here. Hey, Jorn, good to see you. Good afternoon. just closed WPM. Oh, a nice little tree. Let's see how we did. Like I said, I forgot to write this down in my spreadsheet, so we're going to do some on-the-fly math. That was a 55 calls. Closed for 360. All right, so I don't honestly remember. I needed to write this down. I failed on that. WPM, we got in at 315, got out at 360. Okay. So 360 minus 315 divided by 315. 14.3%. I'll take it. Actually, talk amongst yourselves for a moment. I really need to write this down. I need to see what the portfolio impact was of it. Oh, I did do one thing, didn't I? I need to reply to that message to keep that string together. Okay. WPM. How many did I get? Okay. Just a second here, folks. 122. All right, entry price. We got in WPM at 56.89. Long strike was a 55s. We paid 315 for it. Just got out at 360. And today is the 20th. All right, small winner. Let's start this over. Copying this. Replying to this. WPM 55 calls, closed for 360. That was a 14.15% win. And the portfolio impact was, this is why I need to get that in my spreadsheet here so I knew, 1.01%. Heat map target or heat map stalled. All right, done with WPM. That leaves us with 2 at the moment. Hey, Michael. Out of WPM. Let's go to the next one, WMB. So let's go through this real quick. What's our plan on this one, right? I actually don't have a plan. We need to write down real quick, WMB. Didn't include the sell into strength here. Hey, Seb. Good to see you, my friend. All right. We got in at G4. If I get in at anything below G13, I get out at G13. So today is at G6. No reason to get out, but I will make a note here to sell into strength at G13. All right, so it's not breaking down for any other reason. Anything listed on here. So I am not going to touch that. Walmart, however, we do need to take a look at. It's a little bit below the half ATR exit point at the moment. However, it's trending higher. It's trending higher. If you look at the 5-minute chart, we got 9 cents to go. So I'm going to let that ride for a few minutes. Let it tell me which direction it's going to go. If it doesn't crest 64.19 by the time we're done, I will take it off. If it does, because we're 7 cents off at this point, we're 6 cents off at this point. If it does go over 64.19, I'm going to keep it on. If it stays under 64.19, I'm going to take it off. Now, I do have a contingency plan if things change, right? So if I say I want to keep it on, let's say it goes up to 64.25, okay? And I say, I'm going to keep it on. And by the end of the close, it may go back down to 64.10, right? So it goes underneath that planned exit point. If it moves down, like I say, the following day, I set an alert to close at the low of the previous day. So for example, if we decide to keep this on, and then tomorrow it goes below 63.87, that's a exit midday emergency exit type of exit for me. So just so you know, that's the plan, right? We got to have all the contingencies built up. So we're going to let Walmart run for a few minutes. So took off WPM, holding WMB. At the moment, we're leaving Walmart on because it's 7 cents, 8 cents off my planned exit point, just to see if it comes through. If it doesn't, like if this was trending down, I wouldn't even really be looking at it, but it's trending back up. We're 8 cents off. Let's see. The next step is to grab the OVTLYR data. Now, this is not too hot today. In fact, this is ice cold today. So if you look at the bull list on OVTLYR today, tis very small. The bear list is at 33. The bull list is only at 8. And of those 8, this list here, none of them have the green overlay. None of them are showing to be bullish right now. That's not very promising to me. So I'm not going to take any of these signals, right? I want them already in their green overlays. What do I mean by that? Let's go to like CX. I don't know anything about CX. If you look at the OVTLYR data on CX, while we do have a buy signal, it's currently on its way down, right? You can see the price was around 876. It's currently at 779-ish. Let's look at the chart on the daily. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't take that trade anyway, no matter what. So for me, I am not interested in anything that's not already inside of a green uptrend overlay. So I'm not going to be taking any trades today, right? That's how it goes sometimes. You set up, you look for trades, nothing comes through. You don't take anything that doesn't fit your plan. That's important, right? So really the only thing we need to have a discussion on is if we're going to keep Walmart or not. And it's now 6 cents off, 7 cents off. So I don't want to bore you with this. I don't want to keep you from moving on with your day because I don't know what this is going to do, but I'm going to give it about 20 minutes or so to figure itself out. We're not going to stick here around for 20 minutes. So I'll let you know in the Discord if I do keep it on or if I take it off. If I were a betting man, I would say I'm probably going to keep it on because it looks like it's going to trend up. But if it continues to stay down like this, I will be taking it off right at about 15 minutes before the close. So that's the plan. I will let you know either way on the Discord. Thank you all so much for coming to today's OVTLYR Trading, where we try and make this easy for you, right? But having a plan makes everything easier because you know what to do. So have a fantastic afternoon. See you right back here tomorrow. But I will update you on the Discord in 15, 20 minutes. Have a great afternoon. Talk soon.